Hello children, I am Shubhajit and welcome back to another video. Previously, we had learnt about the sign convention, mirror formula and magnification of reflection by spherical mirrors. Without further delay, now let's gather some information about refraction of light. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand about refraction of light, laws of refraction, Snell's law, refractive index. Keywords: refraction of light, laws of refraction, Snell's law, refractive index, absolute refractive index. Before starting the session, let's take a look at the concept map. Light seems to travel along a straight line paths in a transparent medium. It appears that when traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light changes in the second medium. This phenomenon of bending of light ray when passing from one medium to another is called the refraction of light. It has been found that when a ray of light goes from a rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Similarly, when a ray of light goes from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. For example, let us consider the case of a pencil partly immersed in water in a glass tumbler. The pencil appears to be displaced at the interface of air and water. The light reaching you from the portion of the pencil inside the water seems to come from a different direction compared to the part above water. This makes the pencil appear to be displaced at the interface. The incident ray the refracted ray and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for the given pair of media. This law is also known as Snell's law of refraction. Sin I by sin R is equals to constant. This constant value is called the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first. You have already studied that a ray of light that travels obliquely from one transparent medium to another will change its direction in the second medium. The extent of the change in the direction that take place in a given pair of media may be expressed in terms of the refractive index. The constant appearing on the Snell's law. The refractive index can be linked to the relative speed of propagation of light in different media. Light propagates with a different speed in different media. Light travels fastest in vacuum with the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In air, the speed of light is only marginally less compared to that in the vacuum. It reduces considerably in glass or water. The value of the refractive index for a given pair of media depends upon the speed of light in the two media. Now, let us consider a ray of light traveling from medium 1 into medium 2. Let V1 be the speed of light in medium 1 and V2 be the speed of light in medium 2. The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is given by the ratio of the speed of light in medium 1 and the speed of light in medium 2. Now, let us consider a ray of light traveling from medium 1 into medium 2. Let V1 be the speed of light in medium 1 and V2 be the speed of light in medium 2. The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is given by the ratio of the speed of light in medium 1 and the speed of light in medium 2. This is usually represented by symbol n21. n21 is equals to speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2 equals to V1 by V2. Then, refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 is represented as n12. n12 equals to speed of light in medium 2 divided by speed of light in medium 1 is equals to V2 by V1. If medium 1 is vacuum or air, then refractive index of medium 2 is considered with respect to vacuum. This is called the absolute refractive index of the medium. It is simply represented as n2. If c is the speed of light in air and v is the speed of light in the medium, then the refractive index of medium Nm is given by Nm equals to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in medium equals to c by v. The absolute refractive index of a medium is simply called its refractive index. Points to remember. Number 1. The bending of light ray when passing from one medium to another is called refraction of light. Point number 2. Snell's law is a ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for a given pair of media. Sin I by sin r is equals to constant. Point number 3, the refractive index of a transparent medium is a ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to that in the medium. Point number 4, light travels fastest in the vacuum with a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of light is different in different media. Thank you.